Hello friends, subscribe my channel. General question answer. Topic is fishing. Your first question. Do you like fishing? Your answer yes, I like fishing. There are the numerous water bodies near my residence and I engage in fishing whenever I get spare time. Your second question is fishing a useful hobby? Your answer it is a useful hobby for those who want to develop the skill of the patience and it make you feel close to the nature, but on the other hand vegetarian people refrain from indulging in it because fish you obtain through the fishing die within a few minutes. Your third question. Do you like eating fish? Your answer all true. I do not eat fish. There is no denying these conventions that fish contain numerous nutrients. In addition, it provides the umpteen health benefits, especially for our brain and eyes. Your next question. What kind of the fish do you like eating? I especially like the salmon fish and I eat the most. Apart from this, I also relish the tuna fish. Your next question. Why do people go fishing? Your answer fishing provides us with the opportunity, chance to forge unique relationship with the family and friends because numerous people enjoy fishing with their near and dear one. Apart from this, it is a beautiful method to pass the leisure time and it helps us to the not survive work related stress, but on the contrary some people do fishing to earn livelihood to satisfy their family needs. Your next question. Why do people like keeping fish as a pet? You answer there is no spacing. The fact that it does not require the massive effort to feed and take care of the fish as the other pets. The upbringing of the fish does not cost much because there is no requirement for the ample space. Moreover, fish remain calm and do not produce uncanny sound. Due to this reason, people love to keep fish as a pet. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.